friends. Today we're going to start an experiment to turn this white flower into a red flower. I have already set up a jar where I've mixed tap water with red food coloring. Now this plant takes up water through its stem through tiny tubes called xylem. But since I've dyed the water red, it should take up the dye along with the water. And I have some other little flowers that I'm going to put in here also, because different types of flowers are going to take up the water at a different rate and they'll change color at a different rate. So we're going to see which ones change color faster. Now I've started another experiment where I have cut the stem of this flower in half. And I'm going to put half of the stem in this red water and half of the stem in this water that I've dyed blue. And we'll see if the flower turns red and blue. Maybe the two colors will mix and it'll turn purple. Who knows? We'll have to watch and find out. My plant is a little bit too short to reach, so I'm going to need to cut the stem a little bit more. Alright, there we go. I made it a little bit taller. There. And we'll have to check back in a day or two and see if any colors changed.